Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
You begin by signing into Roblox and verifying your primary contact details. This matters because notifications route to those channels. Once signed in, go straight to Account Settings and open Security so you can see the flagged notification. If you haven't already, set up a second device or install an authenticator app now. This speeds recovery and confirms legitimacy. Make sure to jot any error codes or exact wording from the notification. Those details guide the next corrective steps. You now inspect the evidence. Open login history and look for unfamiliar devices or locations. If you spot anything, use the Log Out All Sessions control immediately to cut off access. Next, reset your password to a strong, unique phrase and then enable two-step verification so future notifications require a code. While you're here, review apps and connected services, and revoke any third-party tokens you don't recognize. Unauthorized integrations often trigger recurring security alerts. To finish, verify your email and phone once more and request a fresh verification message. Delays or stale tokens commonly cause repeated warnings. If the notification persists after you've reset credentials and removed suspicious connections, gather screenshots and the exact notification wording, then contact Roblox support so they can trace account events. If you're stuck, clear your browser cache and try another device or browser. Sometimes local caching or extensions cause false alerts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.